Yeah, Major. You're gonna come help me take off this door handle, yeah? Come on in. Alright, so I'm gonna try and see if I remember. Take off a door handle on the Mercedes C205. I'm gonna take this one off because I've done a rack. And it's sort of coming back up again, so I'm gonna fix it. Take it off and fix it. For this, I think you need the Torx. You need to remove this rubber here on the board. Oh, it's hard to do with one hand. Yeah, and in there I think there's probably like a Torx 15 or something like that. What you need to do as well is remove that cap. So what I do is I get the emergency key. This is already hard to do. Take the key off like that. I'll show you better. So the door cover's on there like that. And what you need to do is get your emergency key and push it right in. And what it does, if you push it right in, it will push these plastic clips that's holding it against the lock. You'll push them away, and then you should be able to just slide it off with the key there. So just push the key in, emergency key, this should pop off. And then you're left with that. That's if you need to get into your car.
Nice.
Undo that screw in there, but don't do it all the way. And then you should be able to push it on out. It's too hard to do. Just push it out, the barrel comes out. And the barrel's out. And then this bit will come out like that. It'll stay. Push it back. So that's the door handle there like that. Once you take it off the car, that's the bit I need to do. And what you need to do is, I've already taken them off. There's two little Torx screws. There's one on this side and one on that side, and you undo them, and then you should be able to just peel the chrome bit off. That's my dodgy wrapping. So I'm going to re-fix this or re-wrap it. Be right back. Alright, so I fixed the wrap, stretched it back out again, so it's nice and flush, looks normal. Put back the little Torx screws, that one there. Put them back together, and that's done. Go and put it back on the car. Try and do this with one hand. This is a nightmare doing it with one hand. Anyway, let's go and put it back on the car, put it back together. So door handle fixed, ready to go back in. You see that connector there? Should connect back in there. Don't need two hands for this. One sec. What I've done is I've pushed it in slightly and then pushed forward, and I think I need to get the barrel to get the mechanism to let the rest of it go in. So get the barrel. Once you push the barrel in, the handle will go back in, and now all it is a case of just doing up that screw, and do not undo that screw all the way, because if it drops into the door, it's going to end up down here somewhere, and you're going to have to take the whole door card off, and that's a nightmare because there's hidden screws everywhere. Hook screw in there. Right, I'm going to tighten up the screw because I need both hands, and then I'll come back. So I've tightened it up all the way. All we need to do now is put the plug back in and then put the cap back on. So put the plug back in. Plugs in. Should just slap it back in, you'll hear a little click, and that's it, it's in. Working. Done. And that is how you take off the door handle on a C205 Mercedes.
Nice.
If you want to wrap it or replace it or whatever. Just remember, don't undo that. Do not undo that screw. Try not to do it all the way. You'll feel a bit of resistance when you're undoing it anyway, and then just undo a little bit, and then try and take the barrel out. Undo a little bit more. Try and take the barrel out if you're not sure. Last thing you want to do is lose that screw in the door. On the passenger door, it's a bit easier because there's no emergency cover there like on the other side. So all you have to do is pretty much the same as the other side. Is to undo that little screw a little bit, and then the whole thing should just pop out, push it back. Same way to put it back in. Push it in with the connector at the front there. Push it forward and it should drop back in, and yep, unlock. Sweet. Well done, hope that helped, guys. That bit fixed now. So yeah, nearly 1,000 subscribers. So if this video helps you, please subscribe, try and help me get to 1,000. And if you want any more videos or any ideas, just let me know and I'll try and do them for you guys.